Let's now have Pia Bonalo. She's at a pastry shop in Rizal. Hi, Pia.
Jeng, one of my favorite Filipino desserts is the classic polvoron. Here in Double Delights, Miss Anne Eneri will tell us how she has upped the level of serving your typical polvoron. Good morning, Miss Anne.
Good morning.
Can you tell me about Double Delights polvoron? Paano po ba nag-umpisa yung business ninyo?
Actually, Double Delights, the polvoron, I started making it way back in my school days. I would sell to my friends, to my family members, and
Okay, and then, nung nag-start po kayo, what was the flavors po na you started with?
of course, we started with the classic butter polvoron, and then eventually came up with other variants like crispy, peanut, cashew, whatever there is. Then we came up also with cookies and cream.
Okay. Alin po doon yung pinaka-best seller ninyo?
Our best seller is Crispies.
Ah, yes, that's the one that I've been munching on the whole morning. Kasi po parang iba din yung crisp na ginagamit ninyo doon. Not like your typical na parang mga crisp. Can you tell me, ano po ba, may secret ingredient ba kayo dyan sa mga pulver nyo that makes it extra special?
It's probably through the years we tried to make the formulation or the recipe. We have perfected it based on the comments of our friends. So of course the recipe is secret, but we try to use the most premium ingredients that there is available in the market.
And it shows with every bite naman po of your polvoron. But you did not stop in just innovating on the different flavors. You also up the ante by making cupcakes made out of polvoron. Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, because when we started, we were selling just the classic polvoron. And then it was so hard to catch the attentions of customers to come to our tables and, hey, check out our product. So I said we should come up with something new. And during that time, the cupcakes were such a big fad. So I said, why not make polvoron cupcakes? So we tried to make some samples, then sold it in the market. Oh yeah?
Opo, like this one. Like for example, this one naman are the parang may car design. Ano pa po yung mga ibang mga design ninyo na?
Designs for wedding. This is a kissing couple, which is usually being ordered for weddings. We have this one, the heart. Oh, sorry. The heart or the flower is applicable for Valentine's Day. This one we can show you without the box. So you can see the designs. We have generic designs like the bears, animals, the princesses, the clowns, also happy birthday designs. Because we get a lot of orders from customers for different themes, like they have a safari adventure. So we have the safari animals. They have carousel or whatever. Now we have these designs for the summer. Yeah.
These ones, mga parang mga bikinis and floral designs. Pero paano po ito, ma'am? What is it made of? Yung parang pinaka-icing po niya.
The designs are made of royal icing, and then the white part is made of white chocolate, and then the base is polvoron.
Wow, that sounds really, really sumptuous and delicious. If I have a design in mind, for example, I have a themed party, and then wala po ako nakita sa mga designs niyo dito na kasama dun sa fitting with my party, can I give you a design and you do it?
We can customize the designs for you, or we can follow the designs that you want and we'll do it.
Oh, wow. And then, gaano po katagal ang lead time? If, for example, I need an order ng, kunwari, 100 pieces of customized, ilan po kano?
Customized designs, regular lead time would be 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, but if it's a lean season, we can accommodate naman. We'll try to accommodate if it's like a rush order. Kasi sayang din naman. And especially if the occasion is very near and wala kayong ibang naisip na giveaway. So we'll try to accommodate your orders.
And then could I also customize the cupcakes if, for example, I want it to be the crispy or the
different flavors? We can do that also. But usually we use just the butter. But if the customer specifies other flavors, we can do that also.
Your polvoron...
We can use other colors like brown chocolate or we can change also.
So it's not just white chocolate that you could use for the polvoron mismo. And I know that your polvorons are also of export quality. You already are exporting all your products po.
We are able to export also to Canada and US. Yes. But these are just the classic polvorons, not the polvoron cupcakes.
Okay, for a pack of the classic polvorons, if for example, I want this one, ito po yung peanut polvoron, ilan po bang laman ng isang pack?
15 pieces per pack and it costs 100 pesos.
100 pesos. All the different flavors po, parehong 100 pesos or...
Ma'am, 100 pesos.
Okay, and if for example...
Sorry, this one. Box that contains 40 pieces of polvoron costs 250 pesos.
Wow, 250 pesos. And for like this naman, with the ones with the icing, magkano po kunwari isa lang?
5 pesos per box or 3 for 100.
Wow, very affordable. Thank you so much for sharing this morning with us, Miss Anne.
Thank you also.
For those of you who share the same sweet tooth that I have and you want to experience something new with your polvoron, do try Double Delights Polvorons. Jing, Amelin?
Looks good. I
Looks
can't say
good.
it smells good
Oh,
or
because
tastes
we
good.
haven't tried it
But
yet.
siguro naman, because the business looks like it's doing really well. The designs of the cakes look really good. Halata bang gutom tayo?
Oh,
Hindi
medyo
naman,
eh.
no?
Medyo.
All right. 7:47. More news when Solar Daybreak returns.